Welcome back, your lousy Florida traveler. I got Swamp Princess with me today. She's been a little shy this morning. Today's video isn't really about a whole lot. Probably won't interest most of you unless you're from Perry or visit Perry a lot. We're going to ride down to Keaton Beach. They're fixing to start tearing it down. They've already removed the playground previously, and they're going to start some renovations. So I just thought it would be cool to document what it looked like at Hodges Park before the renovations. So we're going to ride down there and take a few pictures, do some pointing out of where stuff is, just to have something in the future to compare back to what it looked like pre-renovation. Then we'll come back afterward and show you when the renovation's done, what's been done to it. Then there'll always be a documented deal there on the YouTube of what it looked like before. So let's go check it out. See the bathrooms, pavilion, right around to this dock side first, and then we'll ride around to the other side and park and get out. This old pier there goes out to a pavilion. See it way out there. See those picnic pavilions. We'll get out and walk them in a minute. The blue poles over there with the tarp over the top is where the old playground sit. You may have seen that in our militating video. And then this building here is your restrooms with an outdoor shower on the back wall for rinsing off. Hodges Park Enhancement Project. Come around this side. There's another Hodges Park Phase 2. And over here, you see little pavilions that sit off by themselves. There's two of them. Kind of give you a little private area. You can see each one's got some benches on it. A little spot out in front of it with the water. Then over to the left is your pier, your pavilions, your restrooms. According to the paper, they're fixing to tear all this down. Leave one pavilion to begin with while they start their rebuilding. They're gonna elevate the bathrooms, new playground, and it kind of needs it. I'll show you a few things on these podiums that show those signs. I don't know if we can see it from here. We'll walk up a little closer, but a lot of gaps in the design and cracks. Went through several storms. No name storm, I think, in '93. Hurricane Hermine, I want to say 2016, if I remember right, which completely demolished the pier. Here's an old birds are enjoying the day. They tore the park down here sometime back. Don't know how long it's been since it's had a real renovation. I know it's had a few renovations done over the years. They've added a few things. I'll show you. So not even counting those storms. Had a lot of high flood tides. If you look, you can see the cracks here in these pavilions. You see that crack runs up. You can see those cracks in the block, separation in the top block. Almost all these piers on this one. That one's the same way. So it definitely needs a renovation. They got some grills. Here on the back of the restroom, you can see the shower. Got some benches for setting your stuff on while you take a shower. Over there is a plaque dedicated to the No Name Storm in '93. We'll go over and look at it. Yeah, it definitely needs a renovation. You can see the pier out there. I know the pier is not that old. In 2016, it was destroyed and part of it was pushed up. Out of the water. So the pier is not that old. When I was growing up, at this point over here was a volleyball net. People used to get together and play volleyball. You had to bring the net, but they had poles. Let's walk over here and look at this plaque. It's got the name of some of the people that were killed between here, Dickle Beach, different areas. Give you a little pan from the water. There's your pier over there. Parking area. Your pavilions and your restrooms. Let's walk over and take a look at one of those pavilions over there. Some of you may have remembered when the hot dog stand used to be here. So it'd just be something to refer back to in the future, what it looked like before this next renovation. There are currently 2 of these setups here. Look at the little lizard. Oh, look at the bird over here. See him? Stay down.
Wow.
Okay.
What is that?
says in the summer of 1979, the Board of County Commissioners, Taylor County dedicated Hodges Park for the enjoyment of residents and visitors alike. The land from the park was a gift to Taylor County from George H. Hodges, partner of Ben Lindsay. And then it says in the early morning of March 13, 1993, the storm of the century struck and damaged the park's facilities. 152 homes were destroyed and 242 homes were severely damaged along Taylor County's coast. Damages totaled over $50 million. Most tragically, 10 people lost their lives in the storm. They were Anissa Lee Sapp, age 2, Levi, or else Levi, Dewey Sapp III, age 5, they called him Trey, Derek Lee Johnson, age 9, Timothy DeWitt Murray, age 13, Shonda Chancey, age 20, Levi Dewey Sapp Jr., age 23, and that could be Levi, I'm not sure. Charlene Elaine Archer, age 28. Barbara Lee Murray, known as Bobby, age 55. Sybil Popple Archer, age 72. In the summer of 1994, the citizens of Taylor County dedicated the reconstruction of Hodges Park to the memory of those who died and to those who survived.